Hello everyone, this is me Janice here and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this natural, subtle, no makeup kind of a look. And yeah, if you haven't noticed yet, I got braces. Yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notifications, share this video, comment what you felt about it, give me some new suggestions. So here's my Instagram ID. You can follow me there, so let's go.
First, securing my hair to the back as always. This prevents from anything getting onto it. I'm using a concealer to cover up a bit of discoloration under my eyes and some redness around my nose. Applying concealer to places like your lips and your eyelids can make your lipstick and eyeshadow really pop later on, so you can do that. Just blend it. As you can see, the concealer on my lips has made me look really pale and almost like I'm sick, but it's all gonna be fine later on. I'm using my brow brush to just shape my eyebrows. I'm just gonna brush them, nothing much, because I like the natural shape of them. But guys, remember, your eyebrows are really important when it comes to your face because they are the actual ones who are shaping it. So doing this one thing can make it look naturally so much neater. So this is more of a natural look, so I'm going for this earthy, neutral kind of brown shade. Applying the same shade below my waterline. I think this touch can make it look a little more cute. Just a bit of mascara. Done with eyes, that's it. Very minimal. Using this red shade of lipstick, I'm just gonna dab it very gently onto my lips. And using the concealer has made the color show even better. Love how it looks. So just applying the same lipstick on my cheeks as a blush. And just a dot on my nose. It kind of gives kind of that cute anime kind of a look, which I'm digging. Now using a highlighter, I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones and my nose. This is the final part, it's optional. You can add a bit of gloss. I just did a bit. I am digging this look. It's so simple and you can use minimal products to create it. Looks so natural, looks so cute, and it enhances your already beautiful features and makes it even more beautiful.
So this is my final look and I love it. It's so cute. So hope this helped you out and yeah, meet you in the video. Bye.